y'all, this is Amber Jolly, realtor with Charles Pool Real Estate. Look at my new listing. Experience country living just minutes from town. Let's go take a look. 115 County Road 722. Come on.
Yeah.
Welcome to 115 County Road 722 in Nacogdoches, Texas. A beautifully designed 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home built in 2019 by JB Crawford Construction. Nestled on a spacious half-acre lot in the Tranquil Lakeway subdivision, this residence offers the perfect harmony of modern design and country living. The open floor plan creates an inviting space for family gatherings and entertaining. Located just 3 miles from the Loop, this home provides serenity of country life with the convenience of nearby town amenities. Experience the best of both worlds. Call your favorite realtor today to take a tour of 115 County Road 722, Nacogdoches, Texas.